Now, the average American is expected to receive nearly $3,000 this year. However, whether you're getting a $1,000 refund or a $10,000 refund, you're gonna wanna avoid these mistakes if possible. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 4 ways to avoid spending your money this year. Let's go. Now, this category is broad, but one of the most common offenders, cars. The average cost of a new car is roughly $37,000. So while your tax refund may make a nice dent, it would be a mistake to ignore your future payments. Plus, if you didn't already know, your new car's value decreases by 20 to 30% by the end of the first year. So if you're gonna do anything, at least buy used. We all know it can be tempting to spend your refund on an expensive handbag, a new set of golf clubs, or anything else. But before you go out and splurge this year, here's a small dose of reality. A tax refund isn't free money. It's money you've already earned that the government is simply paying back to you. This leads into number 3. Don't just put the money in your checking account. You've avoided the temptation to buy something, but if you just put the refund in your checking account, you may slowly spend it without even realizing. We've all been there, where it gets easier to justify the extra meal out or the quick shopping trip because you see that your account has plenty of cash. If you're not sure what to do with the money yet, then just put it in your savings account. Savings accounts have 2 advantages over checking accounts. They usually earn better interest and they're harder to dip into. We all want to impulse spend, but putting your money in savings until you really need it is a much better idea. Any advisor will tell you, you have to first identify what your goals are in order to select the right investments for your portfolio. Whatever you do, don't get caught up in the hype, especially if you're just entering the market for the first time. Take some time to learn about strategies that are best for your financial situation. I'll leave a link down below to some of the best investment books I've read. Stick around until the end and I'll give you 2 bonus tips on smart things that you can do with your money. If you're getting any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Bonus tip number 1. Being prepared for unexpected costs can give you peace of mind and keep you from going into debt. You've probably heard this before, but did you know that 40% of Americans don't have enough cash on hand to cover a $500 unexpected expense? If you're lacking an emergency fund, think about using your refund to increase your savings. Be sure you have enough saved to at least handle 6 months to a year worth of expenses. If you're in debt, this is a perfect time to either pay it off or pay it down altogether. Paying off a $3,000 balance could save you $400 to $500 annually. And once you do, stick with it. Make a commitment to yourself not to go back and use the credit card. The goal is to get out of debt and stay there. Tax refunds are taking a lot longer this year. So whether your plan is to save or invest, make sure you're doing the right thing with your money and not just spending it on things you don't need. If you took anything from this video, like and subscribe, and comment down below of topics you'd like to hear about in the future.